Hey guys, welcome to another series of tutorials for advanced computational design. Tonight I wanted to sort of recap that Millipede workflow that we sort of just got unwrapped out of the box and just went with. So we'll do that again, pretty quickly. I'll cover a few other bases as well around that, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to work on a very small shit project, which be a bit of fun, but we'll use Millipede to do some initial form finding, and then we'll tidy that up a little bit and fill it with a bit of a structure that will generate, and then we'll chuck that into Grasshopper and have a look at how it performs. So one thing we're going to do before we start, I'm going to come into here and change my units to meters, just because Grasshopper kind of likes meters a bit better. So does Millipede for that matter as well. Not likes, but it's just that's that alongside the fact that Ladybug and Honeybee like to work in meters is why some of this stuff works well in meters. So we're going to go okay for that. Before we go anywhere else, if you like the content that I've been producing so far, remember to smash that like button so I can continue to eat, because I'm going to make it a real YouTube career for myself. And then without further ado, I'm just going to do Control V and Z enter and ZS and press enter. And what do we have here? Well, we have something that really shittily resembles a concrete slab that could be some kind of roof structure. Doesn't really matter. And then we've got three little pedestals which resemble some kind of support. Again, doesn't really matter. And we've got this build volume, which might start to sound a little bit familiar considering what we talked about in terms of Millipede the other day. So we will be looking to I'm just going to copy paste our Millipede workflow from the other day. Oh, and again, we always get that. And let's have a look. I've gone ahead and started to predefine some things. So let's have a look at that first. Our load region is this slab up here. And remember that this slab intersects our build volume really nicely, which is referenced in here, our 3D boundary volume, which is right here. And let's just hide that for clarity, and I can sort of do this a little cooler. And then what do we have? Our load cases. What are we? Our support regions, I guess, not cases, which should be these three things. Again, all we have to remember is, well, one, they're all what are they? All closed. Extrusion surface, yeah, it's closed. It's close enough. They're just boxes, and that's a box, and that's a bigger box. For now, it's fine. Later on, your boxes might become, or your support regions might become a little bit different. Whatever. Cool. So again, this is just the same workflow, same topological 3D sample script we used last week, and so that's building here to create our topological 3D model, and that's going into the 3D solver. What I might do is, why don't we do 10 iterations this time. Optimization iterations, so let's get rid of that one. And yeah, we don't need to do that for now. I'm just going to hit run on this now, and away we go. Okay guys, you may have seen me think I shit the bed for a while there. It's because I copied and pasted Millipede into another script. So if you're doing that, it's always good thing to disable things and re-enable it to sort of reinitiate the solver. But let's have a look. Oh, we may have something. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a great result. There we go. So we had my ISO contour value was set at like 0. So as soon as we give that like any kind of value at all, it'll sort of start to whittle away the old mesh. But let's have a look. So we can kind of see, like, again, we're designers here. We're starting to play with this value. I'm not an engineer, but I just wanted to get a result such that we kind of had 3 distinct areas, like this, and then we can actually have a look and see how it wants to deform as well. And like, as we remember from last week, oh, it's falling that way. Cool. So maybe we might need that information later on. We might not. And our max deflection is not a lot at all. So it's pretty steady. So we'll call it a day there. Just a bit of a quick recap for you. Next video we'll start to have a look at this mesh that's coming out of Millipede and start to do some stuff with it. But that's all for now.